Okay, I'm here in Park City trying out the new GoPro 7. I'm going to try to compare one scene in the wide field of view and another scene with the super wide field of view. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Thanks. Oh, I'm also using the hypersmooth stabilization.
This is the wide field of view setting, which is the default go-to setting for the GoPro. I think this is a great field of view setting for most point of view action shots because it's a good balance with a wide field of view setting that will take good high def video of the action nearby, as well as the landscape view in the distance. While the fisheye view does distort the image somewhat, bending trees and straight lines on the edges, it's acceptable with good balance. I use this view a lot for many kayak fishing and mountain biking videos. For snowboarding videos, I use a selfie stick with the GoPro hanging upside down because it's more stable that way, using gravity to counter any motion.
Okay, this one is super wide. The prior one was wide.
Now this is the super wide field of view setting. It has a similar setup as the earlier footage with a selfie stick hanging upside down with the hypersmooth settings on. This footage captures more of the snowboarder with the helmet on the top margin and more of the snowboard in the bottom margin, even though I move right and left as I snowboard. This is the main benefit of this setting, to include more of the snowboarder in the field of view, to get a more complete video and better camera shots. However, there's more distortion at the edges of the video, more of a fishbowl feeling, with some trees and other straight lines showing as bent. The snowboard gets a little distorted as well in this field of view. Please tell me what field of view setting you like and what you think about the comparison in the comments. Also share any tips that you may have. If you like this video, please click like, comment, or subscribe. I've got other snowboarding videos on my channel. Thanks!